second video because I can't open it and face it the other way at the same time. It's got these little things on here. I'm so fucking excited. I haven't had a new phone since the 8, which I'm recording on right now. And this is the 13 Pro. I am fucking psyched. Look how big that fucking camera is. Oh my god. Oh, it actually comes with a charger. That's good. So it's got the regular old charger. That's good to know. I don't want to pull this cover off. Oh, it's so fucking pretty. Turn that bad boy on. The camera is fucking ridiculous. Like, look how big that shit is. It sticks out way far. Plug her in. This is fucking awesome. Yeah! I'm so happy. I mean, compared to the other one, it's not much bigger, but it is quite a difference bigger. Saying hello in different languages.